Okay, I didn't pre-read this. God help us all, but I need to I'm falling behind on my videos. So, this is CPL 180.10, Proceedings upon felony complaint. Remember, Article 180 is all about felonies. 170 is about the three informations and prosecution. So anytime you see 170, you know it's dealing with the complaints. So you have information. Sorry, not both complaints. Information misdemeanor complaint, prosecutor's information, and simplified information. That's 170. You see 180, felony. That's what it's dealing with. So don't be, anytime you see 170, has nothing to do with no damn felonies. But when you get to 180, 180 is all about felonies. All right. So this is the procedures upon felony complaint. And excuse me, because I said the complaints, but it's not the complaints. It's just misdemeanor complaint. All right. So that's 170. 180 is about felony complaint, the arraignment, the defendant's rights, the court's instructions, and bail matters. This is a very loaded card. I hope I can read it. All right. So 1, the defendant is arraigned. He's in the local criminal court on the felony complaint. They must immediately inform him or her of the cause. Okay? To be informed in its presence, the charges, the primary purpose, why the person's being held for action, why they're being arraigned. Okay? And then they're going to be held for action of the grand jury to be determined, right? This tree is dropping those nuts. They're going to furnish a copy of the felony complaint. So they got to tell them what the charges are, give them the copy of the felony complaint. 2, a prompt hearing. That's the defendant's right. Okay, sufficient evidence to hold. Do they have sufficient evidence to hold for the grand jury? Okay, defendant may waive that right. 3, defendant has right to counsel at arraignment, plus every subsequent stage of the action. Okay, if the defendant appears without counsel, the following rights. He has the following rights. A, adjournment for the purpose of obtaining counsel. B, needs to communicate free of charge, letter or phone. He can make a call anywhere in the U.S. or Puerto Rico. Okay, Puerto Rico. Okay, sorry. Right, the number has to be located in the U.S. For the purpose of obtaining counsel, he's going to get on the phone or write a letter. Okay. Inform a relative or friend of the charges. That's another reason he could be getting on the phone. They took me in for X, Y, and Z. C, have counsel assigned by court, financially unable. So the person is financially unable to afford, so may have counsel assigned by court. 4, inform of such rights. Defendant has the right to proceed without counsel. Court must permit to do so if satisfied that the defendant's knowledge or significance. So basically that the court explains it and the defendant gets it. Okay? But if the court is not satisfied that the defendant gets the weight of relieving himself of counsel, it may not proceed until defendant is provided with counsel of own choosing or by assignment. Okay, if defendant is proceeding without counsel, does not waive counsel, that's his right. Court must inform that he has the right. Okay, that he has the right at any time to have a counsel. So if he waives it, he doesn't have the counsel, but the court has to tell him you can have a counsel at any time. He must be informed of that. Holy shit, that was it. That wasn't too bad. All right, and that's 180.10 CPL. Let's go. Proceedings upon felony complaint, CPL arraignment. I'm sorry, felony complaint, arraignment, defendant's rights, courts, instructions, and bail matters. Thank you.